Have you ever used painter's tape before? No, really. Have you ever truly used painter's tape before? Well, my name is Marie, and we're going to figure it out. So I decided to do this video because I had a client come to me, and she showed me some things that she had painted around her house. And we both started chuckling because she kind of made a little bit of a mistake with the painter's tape. So basically, painter's tape is awesome. It usually comes in a roll, and it's blue, and so just kind of like this. And you usually want to cover up any corners or edges that you don't want to get paint on. But here's the thing. If you use painter's tape, make sure to take it off before it dries. And that was my client's mistake. If you leave it on there as it's currently drying and it dries up and you have the painter's tape still on there, if you take it off at that point, it'll ruin the finish. So you don't want to wait until the paint dries. So instead, you want to go ahead and take it off before it dries. And that way, you have a nice, clean finish. Now, if you are in a circumstance where you have left it on and the paint has dried, what you'll do is you'll take some sort of blade or knife and you want to score the very edge of it. Now, this is not for the middle of a wall, but for if you have this covering, let's say, any type of trim, where the tile here meets the wall, or any other circumstances where you won't see the scoring of the knife. And that way you can get the tape off without having to ruin the finish. Okay, you guys, thanks so much, and be sure to follow, like, or subscribe.